Cashew, you want to go see the birds? Okay, sit. You got to sit here and wait. Good boy. You stay. No, sit. Sit here. Sit. Come on. Sit. Okay, and stay. Okay, come on, Cash. Good boy. You have to wait again. Sit and stay. Good boy. Good boy, Cashy. He's a good boy. Okay, come on. There's birds. Here's the birds. This is Congo. Let me get the window out of you. This is Kiki. You guys want a nut? You want one?
More?
You want more? All right, you gotta wait. Cashew. Give me a kiss. Okay. Come on, Kiki, you want one? Kiki, want a nut? Kiki, come on. Congo has one. Come on. Come on, Kiki. Well, you gotta come over here. Come on. Come here.
More?
You won't. See, he's getting another one. Because you wouldn't come. Come on. Show your muscles. Good girl. Show your muscles, Kiki. All right, well, that's it. You're going to be way over there. We're going. Come on, Cash. Let's go. Cashew. Let's go. Get out of here. Come on. Cashew. Go. Bye-bye, birds. Okay, go down. All right, sit. And wait nice. There. Easy. Sit. Okay, that's it. That's our trip to the birds for today.